Spring Boot 4.0.0 is available now. On behalf of the team and everyone who has contributed, I am extremely happy to announce that Spring Boot 4.0.0 has been released and is now available from Maven Central. This release is the beginning of a new Spring Boot generation, providing solid foundation for coming years. Building on top of the Spring Framework 7, there are a number of exciting new features in this release, including a complete modularization of the Spring Boot codebase, providing smaller and more focused jars, portfolio-wide improvements for null safety with J-Specify, first-class support for Java 25 whilst retaining Java 17 compatibility, support for API versioning and HTTP service clients for REST-based applications. For complete list of new features, please see the release notes. Since this is a major release of Spring Boot, upgrading existing application can little bit more involved than usual, so you will also want to check out the dedicated migration guide. Thanks to all those who have contributed with issue reports and pull requests for this release, especially those that have tried the milestones and release candidates. If you are interested in helping out, check out the ideal for contribution tag in the issue repository. If you have general questions, please ask on Stack Overflow. Use the Spring Boot tag. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.